Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, we've got you covered with 7 proven methods. Let's get started. First up, we have freelancing. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or digital marketer, there's a demand for your expertise. To get started, identify your skills, create a professional portfolio, and join freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Networking is also key, so connect with potential clients through social media and professional networks. Next, we have blogging. If you have a passion for writing in a specific niche you're knowledgeable about, blogging can be a lucrative way to make money online. Successful bloggers earn through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Choose a niche. Create a blog using platforms like WordPress or Wix and produce quality content. Monetize your blog with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Focus on a specific niche, join affiliate programs, and promote products through reviews, tutorials, and social media. Track your performance with analytics tools to optimize your strategies. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be very profitable. This method allows you to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Identify your expertise, create high-quality content, and choose platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your courses and ebooks. Market your products through your blog, social media, and email marketing. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier. Choose a niche. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and find reliable suppliers through AliExpress or Oberlo. Market your store through social media, SEO, and paid advertising. Creating a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to make money online. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Choose a niche, create quality content, and grow your audience through social media, collaborations, and SEO. Monetize your channel by enabling ads, joining the YouTube Partner Program, and exploring other monetization. Lastly, we have virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks can include email management, scheduling, social media management, and customer service. Lastly, we have virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks can include email management, scheduling, social media management, and customer service. Making money online offers endless possibilities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time